Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my yet another YouTube haul. Let me tell you, this is a most random video on my channel. I have not planned anything. I just shopped a little and I thought let's make a haul out of it. So now you know, like garmi major, it's like literally heat trapping in the room right now. The moment I saw these suits that I've got, like all like very lightweight, very easy breezy sort of outfits. Of course, like कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनको suits with दुपट्टा ही चाहिए. So this video is kind of for all those women out there because I think दुपट्टे में lightweight का combination is rare. I just like grabbed my hands on some of the prettiest and very random Amazon finds. Okay, so a quick disclaimer guys, before we jump to the video, if I say they're lightweight, they're genuinely lightweight. So the first and the foremost, पता है कौन सा सूट है guys जो मैं already पहन चुकी हूँ. I fell in love. ये मैंने अभी नहीं लिया है. I think showed this in one of my previous videos. So ये देखो एकदम मीना बाजार style print है. This is all like so sophisticated print. Of course the fabric आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आपने कुछ डाला हुआ है. It's that lightweight. It's very like silk blended stuff. Goes like straight fit, but आप देख रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा easy going stuff है. Quality wise it's literally top notch. You see the print, it hit like more than 2 million views on Instagram. Yeah, right. So this is the neck, this is the sleeves. It's 3/4 sleeves and इस सूट में कोई lining नहीं है. It just non see through. I don't think like इस price में आपको ये type का outfit मिल सकता है. So this costed me around 1200 1300 and साथ में आपको same इसी type का दुपट्टा मिलने वाला है. The दुपट्टा is again very हल्का, light weight. You can literally style this everywhere. I feel guys इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बहुत अच्छे सूट दिखाने वाली हूँ बट ये वाला आउटफिट इज अ मस्ट हैव. ये साथ में प्लाजोज आने वाले हैं स्ट्रेट फिट. दीज आर कॉटन एंड दे आर सो गुड यार. आई थिंक ये वाला सूट 1200 रुपीज का प्राइस डिजर्व नहीं करता है. डिजर्व्स अ लॉट मोर. ओके सो व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट इज अनदर फेवरेट एंड यू गोना लव इट टू गाइस. आई एम टेलिंग यू. सो व्हाइट कॉटन सूट is everyone's I think a bucket list कि एक अच्छा white cotton का सूट मिल जाए and this one is a hit guys. Such a summer vibe it brings to life. I don't know like it has something. ठीक है मैंने जैसे ये सूट पहना ना guys I was so impressed. फ्रंट में ऐसा neck आएगा very simple like not so fancy and stuff. So this is 3/4 sleeves. This goes straight length and this is the print. I love blue and white. I have a feeling for blue and white. Pure cotton का सूट है and this is very minimal see through. So yeah that's plus. Look at this. Like मैं अपना हाथ डाल रही हूँ आपको कुछ भी दिख रहा है and it's too comfortable on the skin. ऐसे outfit का ना मैंने नाम ही दे दिया. These are Sara Ali Khan outfits because I've always seen her wearing such suits and look at this. Like straight fit plazos है, elasticated है, cotton का है and दुपट्टा भी you get the cottonish which is again very easy going. मुझे तो बस ऐसा लग रहा है मैं इस सूट में ना दिन रात रह सकती हूँ. I don't mind literally. So I highly again recommend this suit to you before it goes out of stock again. Alright, so next up जो सूट है ना again a very rare suit, a very unique print, a very unique style. It's from Indo Era. So उसमें बहुत सारे color options मिल जाएंगे but the one I picked up is this. Supremely colorful. This is the kind of like style it goes. The neck and the sleeves are pretty simple. ये बहुत loose fit है. So I've got this in the size medium but I think medium is still very loose to me. So अगर मैं इसमें small भी जाऊंगी it will fit me right. It goes like straight but it's still not straight. So मतलब ये ऐसे हल्का सा you know A fit में जाएगा. It is not exactly cotton but a blend of cotton but still like it's very since loose इतना है तो comfortable तो है ही summers के हिसाब से. इसके साथ आपको ना बड़ा अच्छा सा दुपट्टा दिया है इन्होंने. मुझे I think दुपट्टे की वजह से थोड़ा ज्यादा फैंसी लग रहा है ये. I think जो lace work है ना this makes it a little more extra. इसको easily किसी kitty party में डाल के जा सकते हो. It's obviously a little you know थोड़ा fancy suit. तो मैंने I think पे करा इसके लिए 1600 something but I think that's so cool for this kind of like style and print. And इसके साथ इस type की pants आने वाली है. This is a turquoise color and इसमें ऐसा you know like loose fit है. Next I've got a very you know whitish and my favorite outfit. Oh my god so pretty यार. ये कैमरा में और ज्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है for some reason but I love the color. ठीक है I have been eyeing on this. It is from the brand Fiora. I love that brand on Amazon and I think इनकी quality बहुत अच्छी होती है. So this product was out of stock for a very long time. तो अभी ये in stock आ गया है and I've got my hands. I got so lucky with this. So it comes with a lot of like embroidery on the neck. Like इसकी वजह से ना ये थोड़ा ज्यादा attractive लग रहा है for some reason. A fit में आएगा. हल्का सा A fit जा रहा है नीचे. I think it's very minimal see through. So ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है. वाइट और ग्रीन का जो सटल वेयर कॉम्बिनेशन है ना It is great. It is great. Just makes you look so pleasant, so fresh, decent in very sophisticated outfit. बहुत सुंदर sleeves है guys. Like look at this. Very everyday style जो आप बिना सोचे समझे बस कहीं भी डाल के जा सकते हो. ऑफिस में चल जाएगा, casually घर में के लिए चल जाएगा. Love the fact that it has this loose plazo thing. This is like straight fit, comfortable fit and ankle fit है. Another great pick at a very great price. I think मैंने इसके लिए 1200 से ज्यादा पे 1100 के ज्यादा पे नहीं करा है. Another outfit. अब आप बोलोगे white से सीधा black आ गया है. But who cares guys? White always looks chic. Do you agree? But black can never go wrong, Okay, I found a very unique fit. I think I'm in love with this outfit guys. There's a number of outfits, almost like 5 or 6, but each has its own like personal style and elegance. Okay, firstly it's very loose, it's blendable, it's cotton. Ab bottom dekho, this is all like print game going on. It goes a little A-line, little like straight. It has this short sleeves yahan tak. Front mein aisa V-neck aayega. It has to be the bestest black in my wardrobe so far. Itna soft cotton hai ye that I can literally don't mind wearing black in summers. So this is the pants. These are not even pants, like these are plazos, okay? ये डालने के बाद ना I was literally giving that South Delhi classic vibe. And I think इसका price था 1300 something. Again, not bad at all. You can go your original size. मैंने medium मंगा लिया है. But अगर मैं small मंगाती तो भी it would have been like fitted me so well. The last outfit of this video, a very picky outfit on Amazon, and yeah, I love it. मैं आपको दिखाती वही best picks हूँ guys जो मुझे लगता है it is wow. Indoera again. इस बार मैंने Indoera के ज़्यादा मंगा लिया. But they have launched such a lovely collection. This outfit, like only 2 words for it. One, posh. The second is elegance. And I absolutely love it. And I'm sure you will agree to it because of the color. Off-white color है. And उसपे ना काफी अच्छे pretty florals है. So this is how the neck looks like. These are the sleeves. It is again like straight, but it is again very versatile. इस सूट का material guys linen sort है. तो basically it comes with the lining because linen होता तो बिल्कुल see through हो जाता. Very unique. And again it is for all those women out there that who loves to wear beige and off-whites but pretty ones actually. And इसके साथ इन्होंने ना contrast में बहुत प्यारा दुपट्टा दिया है. It's like purple. This was unexpected. They have played so well with the दुपट्टा. इसके साथ ऐसी ही off-white pants आएंगी. These are like plazo pants. Just kind of balances like whole like suit fitting. तो yeah, like बहुत अच्छा बहुत प्यारा सूट है. You're gonna love the color combination. I think ये इतना expensive नहीं था. Okay, so this one was 1500. Definitely deserves this price. So again, a very versatile piece. And with this, we are at the end of the video. I've shown you like all the pretty outfits that I've got because they're no less and they're so budgeted. I think everything was under 15 or 1400 rupees I guess, which is so cool. So सारे product links आपको description box में मिल जाएंगे in case you want to shop any of them. In case you don't know, अभी Amazon की कोई sale भी चल रही है, so you can get some additional discounts. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel because I put a lot of content here on my YouTube. I'm very regular guys, you know it. And I also put a lot of content on my Instagram, so you can just follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching. Bye guys.